Hey, hello, what's going there? Okay, I got this issue. I got this. I got this backbeat, backbeat feet Plantronics headphones and Bluetooth, but they don't work. They just won't turn on. So I checked for videos and everything to get them started, but they just won't turn on. So um, I got another ones. As you can see, there's two boxes right there. Okay, and guess what? They don't turn on either. So I got two of them right here. As you can see, okay, there is one right there laying on the bed, another one right here on my hand, and they won't turn on. So any advice is well taken. Thanks, peace out.